Google Chrome keeps track of all the websites you visit in your browsing history, making it easy to go back to any page you've searched before. But what if you accidentally delete your Chrome history and need to get it back? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple methods to recover deleted Chrome history step by step, even if you manually cleared it. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future tricks. Ready? Let's go! Method 1. Use Google Activity to restore Google Chrome history. If you're signed in to Chrome with your Google account, your browsing activity is often synced to Google servers. That means even if you clear your local history, it might still be saved in your Google account. Here's how to check and restore it. Click your avatar in the upper right corner and select Manage your Google account. Go to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down and click on My Activity. To see your full activity, click Verify and enter your account password if prompted. On the My Google Activity page, you'll see a timeline of websites you've visited, even if they were deleted from your browser. If Web and App Activity is enabled, Google keeps a record of your browsing history here. Here, you can see the list of specific Google websites, and you can click on each service to view the detailed activities recorded for that specific platform. And right over here, if you prefer, you can also set Google to auto-delete activity older than 18 months. Additionally, you can also use the search bar or scroll through the list to find the website or page you want to revisit. And that's it. Method 2. Recover Chrome history using 4DDiG data recovery tool. This method is perfect if you've lost your Chrome history because of a system crash, accidental file deletion, or even disk formatting. Tenorshare 4DDiG is a professional data recovery software that can help you retrieve all kinds of lost data, including your Chrome browsing history. Here's how to do. First, grab the download link below and install 4DDiG on your computer. But before you start scanning, you need to know where Chrome actually saves your history files. So open Chrome, type chrome://version/ into the address bar and hit enter. You'll see something called Profile Path, which is the folder where Chrome keeps all your data. Now, open 4DDiG, pick C drive, and click Scan, or whichever drive your Chrome data is on, and click Start. When it asks what file types to scan, just pick all file types, then hit Scan and let it do its thing. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the scan is done, use the search bar in 4DDiG to find files called History and History Journal. Those are the ones you need. Select them, click Recover, and save them somewhere else. Don't put them back in the same folder yet. Next, before replacing history files, go to Chrome and choose Sync is on, then turn it off. That way, Chrome won't overwrite your recovered history with the empty one from the cloud. Finally, go back to that Chrome profile folder you noted earlier, and replace the current history files there with the ones you just recovered. That's it. Now, open Chrome, and your history should be back like nothing ever happened. In this method, let's try the DNS Cache. Press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard, type ChemD, and hit Enter. In the black command prompt window, type ipconfig/displaydns, then press Enter. What you need to do is look carefully through that list for any domains you recognize, especially ones you actually visited in your browser. In my case, when I ran the DNS Cache command, I didn't see any Google browsing history, only some other domains like sogu.com and Tencent Cloud. That's because the DNS Cache only keeps recent data, and it gets cleared if you've restarted, shut down your PC, or if too much time has passed. So if you don't see the site you're looking for here, don't worry, that's normal. And remember, the DNS Cache is just a quick way to check some recent activity. It's more of a helpful clue than a full solution. If you want to recover your complete long-term history, you're better off using Method 1, Google Activity, or Method 2 with a data recovery tool. And that's it. 3 easy ways to recover your deleted Chrome history, step by step. If this video helped you out, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.